Okay, here we go. Alrighty, we are going through Electric Eel, this is called. You hear me screaming, that's Don't whine, kids whine. Ow. Okay. Not well. That's the way to do it, just dive right in. Yeah, right. Oh! Okay. Oh yeah! It's not so bad. Ow! Watch out for that one! Oh shit! Oh! Yeah, okay. Ow! Ow!
It hurts just enough that it sucks.
Yeah! I'm like... Oh. Shit! Oh! Good job! Some of the... I know! It's like, what the hell? Good job! Oh, that was all right. Interesting? I'm like, at first, this is nothing. And then all of a sudden, one of them got me good. I'm like, oh! Yeah!
That felt awesome!
Yeah! You gotta love it!
That last one just tagged me in the
Did you get that?
No, my fucking GoPro broke on the first option.
No way!
Yeah, dude, when it says FUL, what's that mean? Full?
I don't know, I haven't got there yet. Well, that was awesome, I gotta say. Whoops. Alright, till the next obstacle, we'll see you then. I really hope this